Hello guys, my name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about my favorite ever altcoin, and this is Solana. Why we chose Solana, what makes Solana so unique, price prediction of Solana, where we're now, all-time high of Solana, or do we lose our opportunity to buy Solana right now when price is so high, how much we will get from Solana, our profit from Solana. We are going to look into some articles about Solana. We're going to look at coin market cap and at charts, and of course at the end I'm going to tell you why you should buy Solana even right now when price is so high. Stay with me and we're going to dive into Solana world. I've been already talking about Solana, and I've already explained to you about Solana in my second video about top 5 altcoins of 2021, of August 2021, and Solana was number 1, and I told you already that was my favorite ever coin. Of course I invested in Solana. I invested in Solana when price was about $35 for one coin, so I invested $700 in Solana. And today I woke up, as previous days also I've always been checking coin market cap and Solana's charts, and I've been amazed by price of Solana, how it's increased, and now in my portfolio I have $3,000 of Solana when I invested only 700. It's insane. Let's recall about Solana that it's fastest ever coin in crypto we knew about. We already know how many transactions per second Solana supports, but let's look closely at Solana website and we can see live transactions per second. So guys, we're on Solana website, and let's look closely on the live transactions per second, which is 1,469 transactions per second. Just to compare, let's look at Visa's transactions per second, which is about 1,700 transactions, and this is insane because Solana just hits Visa, and this is something new and incredible in crypto because we never knew about fastest coin ever. This is Solana, of course. So guys, let's look closely at the articles about Solana, so now we will understand why Solana's price is increasing and why Solana has a high potential in crypto world. And due to this article, we know that the growth of Solana to $146 is steered positively by the increasing demand for the tokens for use in minting thousands of NFTs being launched on the Solana blockchain. That's why Solana is increasing in price so quick, because of NFTs. If you want to watch about NFTs and if you want to know more details about NFTs, I suggest you to watch my video on my YouTube about NFTs, so you will know a little bit more about it. Let's look at this article, which is saying that the token has surged roughly 276% over the last months. The pricing momentum has pushed Solana's market capitalization to roughly 41 billion, and it recently overtook Dogecoin to become the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. So as we know, Solana overtook already Dogecoin on coin market cap, and we will look closely at the list of top coins, and Solana takes number 7. But for now, let's talk about Solana and NFTs and look at this article, which is saying nothing will stop Solana. 2 weeks ago, after the launch of Degenerate Ape Academy, Solana received a strong offer. The start was excellent. Within 10 minutes, a collection of 10,000 unique cartoon monkeys pictures was sold. This helped boost Solana value, of course. And let's look at price prediction for Solana in 2021, 25 and 2030. And we can see here that price prediction was 2021 around 190 19, and that really makes me laugh because people underestimated Solana, and price prediction was about 119 in 2001, and now it hit 150. So guys, let's look at Solana on CoinMarketCap, and as we can see, Solana takes place number 7 here, and price right now it's 140. It went down a little bit just in one day, but it's okay because it's pumped a lot, and I think Solana will continue pump at least during this week to 150 again. And let's look at change during 1 month, and as you can see, price increased, it's pumped a lot, and now it's going down a little bit. Let's look at 1 day. So just recently price was almost 150. I think it was 150. Yes, you can see it here. So it was new all-time high. My previous video about Solana, you can remember, all-time high was about $50 only, and now it's 150, and that price changed just in 1 month. This is insane. So the last article I'm going to show you is 5 reasons why you should buy Solana and why Solana keep climbing. And first reason, as I already told you, that Solana moved into NFTs. And second, it's attracting a wide range of projects, and some of them are doing really well. And reason number 3, Solana are looking for alternatives to Ethereum. This is really true because Solana continues to perform well. There is a good chance it could win a spot in that top tier. And reason number 4, it successfully launched a wormhole project. And of course, reason number 5, it's fast. I already been telling you how fast it is. That Solana is one of the fastest cryptos on block right now. So guys, at the end I'm going to tell you a few words about Solana from myself, why I chose Solana, and why I suggest you to buy Solana even right now. Let's compare if you are buying Solana right now when it's high, and if it goes down, it really doesn't matter because you already understand that Solana has high potential and this coin will go up a lot. Even if it will drop, it doesn't matter. Even if your investment will turn into less amount of money, it doesn't matter, because what people doing when coins going down is called fear of missing out. They're just trying to withdraw this money, but this is really not good. This is not gonna bring you to success. So that's what people do, and it really doesn't matter, because I bought Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at $55,000, and as you know, all-time high was around $64,000. So all this time when Bitcoin kept position at $30,000, I was in my bed, so my Bitcoin was even less that I invested. I know that Bitcoin will go up a lot, over $100,000. The same as Solana. I'm going to tell you that even if you invested right now in Solana when price is $140, and even it will drop to $50 again, it doesn't matter, because when it will drop to $50, you still can put even more money into Solana. And of course it will go up again and you will be in your profit. That's what I'm trying to say you, that I invested in Solana when price was around $35 for one coin, and I invested $700 into Solana. Now my Solana budget is $3,000, from $700 to $3,000. What I'm going to do, I'm going to withdraw 1,000. It really doesn't matter, even if I will hold less amount of token, even if I will have less Solana, it doesn't matter. When price will drop, I will invest even more. Some people are really waiting when Bitcoin will go down a lot so they can invest in Bitcoin. but they had this opportunity when Bitcoin was 30. All what I'm trying to say, that don't be afraid to invest in Solana. You never know perfect moment, the same as you never know perfect moment for investment, also as you never know perfect moment when you should withdraw money and how much you should withdraw money. That was my video about why Solana is on the top and why you should invest in Solana, and you can make your own decisions, but remember that Solana has high potential and future in crypto. Just remember about my video when I said you to buy Solana when Solana was $35 for a coin, and now it's 150. If you listen to me, you must be so happy, because I'm really happy I bought it and hold it. And I wish you good luck. Congratulations to everyone who holds Solana, and to everyone who bought Solana when Solana was around $2 or $3. You must be so happy. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like my video. This is really important for me. Thank you for staying with me and choosing my channel.